Well, the European debt tensions continue to be the major theme for global equity markets, and it does seem like every day equity markets are either up or down depending on whether some news does come out of politicians from that part of the world. And over the past couple of days, it certainly seems like there has been a couple of tensions really emerging and a bit of a rift between the Germans and the French in terms of agreeing on a solution to fight off the debt crisis. But over the past 24 hours, in fact, we have seen a bit more positive news that perhaps they have resolved some of these tensions, and in turn this has been positive for equity markets. US markets have improved, and we've also seen a bit more appetite for currencies around the world. This has seen the New Zealand dollar rise, and at one point in time on Thursday we were trading under 79 cents against the US dollar. But early on Friday morning we're trading back up, trading around 79.5 against the US dollar. The New Zealand grain market seems to be fairly buoyant right now, but this is in contrast to what we are seeing in some of the other major areas of grains around the world. Back here at home, demand for grains has really been fueled by the dairy industry, and this is underpinning prices for now. On the supply situation, we have seen some other competing industries really starting to impinge on grains, and this is mainly a result of some of the factors we have seen, including much higher land prices. So this is meaning that the local market is seeming to be fairly buoyant right now. On the other situation on the international stage, we have seen Australian grain prices really pull back over the past couple of weeks, and this is mainly as a result of slightly higher production coming out of that part of the world. Over in the US, we've really seen grain prices spike high right through 2011, but they pulled back considerably, especially over the past 4 weeks. Now, they haven't pulled back to a level that is around historical basis. They're still very high on a long-term average levels, but they have pulled back, and this is mainly a result of revisions to supply and demand estimates. Now, the two markets seem to be travelling in slightly different distances at the moment, but the main thing to remember is that grain feed demand still remains high on the international stage.